Okay, each time you want to sew cloth, make sure you measure the fabric clearance bring for you. At times it's not complete, and if your cloth is not, if you're not able to produce what you want to produce, it can cause problem. So I have 6 years of this fabric, and I want to cut buba, latest buba for male. How you cut the traditional buba for male. Okay, so I have the length of 40 inches. Okay, so what do? I want to cut it one by one because I'm going to cut. Okay, so the wideness, that is the weight I have, is 33. So I folded my cloth into this. So 33 divided by 2, I'll be having 16 and a half. So I'm going to cut 34 because of sewing allowance. So all I need here is 17. Okay, I need 17 of this. 17. 17. Okay, sorry for wasting the time. 17. I've gotten my 17 now, and then the length is 40, so I'm going to use this one as the front panel. So if it's 40, I'm going to deduct 2 from it. 40 plus sewing allowance up and down supposed to be 42. Okay, so I'm going to take exactly 41 here. I will take exactly 40 here. I will take 40 here. Okay, I'll measure 40 here. Okay, I measure 40 here. So the two that ought to make it 42 here, I will be adding it to the back panel. Okay. Okay, so I will just use this one to measure the one for the back panel. So this time around, the two I removed from that one, I will add it to this one. So this one will be giving me 44. The 42 plus the 2 extra to make it 44. So I'll be cutting 44 from here. The 2 I ought to add here. So I'll cut it through. Okay, so what is the next thing I'm going to do? I'll be joining the two together. I join them together before I put my neckline. I'll be joining them together. Okay. Okay, so what I do is that I level it here, make sure they're together here. Okay. When I join it, I come and put the neck. Okay, so for the sleeve, I need 15. With sewing allowance, I will take about 16 and a half. 16 and a half. This 14, just too short. Okay, let me take 16. 16 is okay. 16, then the wideness is there. I'll be taking 18. So the two of them will be 36. Wow. Okay. I will need 18. I make it 20. So I cut it for the two sleeves. Okay, so these are the two sleeves. The two sleeves are ready. I'll be cutting the side pockets. Thickness of 9 is enough. 9 by 10 because of the sewing allowance. I cut the shirt pockets. The chest pockets. It's by 7.5. Okay, so the pieces I will put at the under the sleeve. Okay, I'm good to go with that one. Okay, I've joined the front and back panel of the top. So I cut it and I folded it into like this. So it has to be like this. I'll be cutting the neck line from here. So I'll just go by 3 inches. And I come down by 5, by 4. Okay, so half of 4. That's 1 plus the 4 self. Okay, 4 3, half of it. Okay, so from there I like it. So I cut it. This one's 3. This 3, 3, 3, 3. Hmm? Hmm? Hey, me, mom. Then I put the slit in the front. 5. So good to go.